Get ready for pure chaos and surprise because today, we're installing the legendary Lucky Block mod in Minecraft. First things first, make sure you have Minecraft Forge installed. If you don't, a quick search for Minecraft Forge download will guide you to the official site where you can grab the correct version for your Minecraft client. Forge is essential for any modded Minecraft experience. Next, we need the Lucky Block mod itself. You'll want to visit the official Lucky Block mod page, usually found on Minecraft modding websites like CursorForge. Make sure you download the version of the Lucky Block mod that matches your Forge and Minecraft versions. Look for the jar file. Now, locate your Minecraft installation folder on Windows. You can usually find this by typing %app.a% into your Windows search bar and hitting enter. Then navigating to the Minecraft folder within the roaming folder on Mac. It's in your user's library folder, then application support, and finally Minecraft. Inside your Minecraft folder, you should see a folder named mods. If it's not there, don't worry. You can simply create a new folder and name it mods. This is the crucial step. Drag and drop the Lucky Block mod jar file you downloaded directly into this mods folder. That's it for the installation. Now, boot up your Minecraft launcher. Make sure you select your Forge installation profile from the drop-down menu before clicking play. Once Minecraft loads, create a new world or load an existing one. You'll know the mod is working when you can craft or find lucky blocks. Break that lucky block and prepare for anything from amazing loot to instant explosions. Enjoy the unpredictable fun.